Are you interested in learning how to make fantasy video edits like these? Then this free video editing course is designed just for you. We aren't just showing you a random tutorial. We will be teaching you everything episode by episode, from a level 1 edit all the way to a level 50 edit. In this episode, we are going to learn how to create this level 1 edit. This is a mega series that will be incredibly useful for beginners. So to make sure you don't miss any episodes, subscribe to the channel. Without making the video any longer, let's start episode 1. In episode 1, we are teaching a level 1 edit that features speed ramping and smooth zooms. By the time you finish watching this episode, you will have definitely mastered level 1 editing. I give you a 100% guarantee. Watch the video until the very end.
First, import your clips into the timeline. Now, let's set the speed ramp. Select your clip, go to Speed, then Curve, and hit Custom. Adjust your graph to look like this for that perfect flow. Once you're happy, apply the same curve to your remaining clips. Next up, the smooth zoom. Select your clip, open the Properties menu, and find Zoom. Add a keyframe at the start and another at the end. Leave the first one as is, but set the second keyframe to 160%. To make it fluid, we need a graph. Move between your keyframes, open the Curve tool, and select Soft Reset 2. Apply this to all your speed ramped clips to keep the motion consistent. Finally, let's add a transition. Click the white bar between your clips and select the black edge transition. And there you go. Let's take a look at the final result.